Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have the VTC network withdrawal. Lately they announced their token withdrawal, the airdrop withdrawal from the mining app, and they also announced Bybit listing. Even though I'm yet to confirm that of Bybit listing, they've not specify when they will be listing on Bybit precisely. So what we have now is for you to link your BSC address to the app, the miming app, the VTC network miming app. Then you also need to have some BNB to claim the NFT, the profile NFT, just like KVV when we minted the profile NFT. So the first thing you need to do is go to your profile. And for those that have added the BSA address before now, you cannot edit. At least they've not announced any way how you can edit it. So and you enter your BSA address here, just paste it here, and you put your password, then save. So that's how to add the BSA address. So now to do the profile meeting. And let me say this: you have to download the updated app. The previous app that you have on your phone, you have to uninstall it, then download the new one, then log in. So I'll drop the app link, the APK app link, to the description box. Go to the description box of this video. Check for you will see the APK app download, and you also see the contract address there from the description box. But if you are unable to copy the contract address from the description box, join the Telegram channel, join my Telegram community, then you'll be able to copy the contract address as well. So I don't know if you can copy it thing from YouTube. I don't know. If you're not a creator, I don't know. So but if you're unable to copy it, just go to the Telegram community, then you'll be able to get the contract address. I'll drop the CA on my Telegram channel as well, so you can get it. So to meet this profile, I'll click on meet profile. Each account can meet I think 3 or 5 NFT, as long as you have the gas fee. There's no restrictions. You can meet up to 3 or 5 thereabouts. So I'll just copy this link. This is the meeting link. Then go to my metamask wallet. It's preferably to use your metamask wallet. Some people are fond of asking which wallet should I use. Can I use just when it comes to airdrop, just get used to using metamask. That's just the basic truth. Because when you ask that kind of question, you are not waiting for reply. Someone like me will not even answer you, because I've said it severally and I'm still saying it. When it comes to airdrop, be it on BSC, Ethereum, ARB, just use metamask. Each wallet are known for different things. Metamask is known for something else. Trust Wallet is known for another thing. So they have their own area of specialization. Each wallet has their own its own specialty, in case you don't know. So some wallets are suitable for some things. Some wallets are suitable for asset holding. So when it comes to airdrop, just stick to your metamask, and it even save you the stress of going from one wallet to another. If you stick to one wallet, then you concentrate on that particular wallet. You don't have to, at least you know that that's the only wallet you are securing from all these cyber attack or what have you. So that's what I have to say about it. So let me go to that browser on metamask. So to meet this NFT, you need some certain amount of BNB on your account, at least not less than $1.30 thereabouts. You need to have it on your wallet. The same wallet you submitted on the profile is the same wallet you are going to be using. So you don't go and submit Trust Wallet address and go to MetaMask and start to meet. You will not be able to withdraw. You will meet, but you will not be able to withdraw from the VTC app. So you use the same wallet. If you submit wallet from metamask, use that same wallet, use that metamask wallet to meet the NFT. If you submit from trust wallet, use trust wallet to meet it. I hope that is clear, please, because you don't want to create confusion. Some people will withdraw and they will be like, I cannot withdraw. You cannot withdraw if you do the wrong thing. So this is the profile. I'll just click on if I click on meet now, then you see the amounts that I need for BNB. Then I'll just click on meet now, and it will pop up a contract. I think I'm not having any BSA again, so there's no how I'm going to proceed to meet another one. I've meted what I want to meet already. And so for those that are always asking, is it BNB or BNB is a token, BSC is a blockchain. So you need BSC, BNB smart chain. That is what they call BSC. So from your MetaMask wallet, just copy the address that you are seeing on this page. You copy the address that you are seeing on the top. That's a BSC address, which is the blockchain address. BNB is a coin on the blockchain. Most of you need to come and learn about cryptocurrency, because it's not everything we bring to content creating. We can't teach you everything for free. So if you want to learn about cryptocurrency, you can send me a WhatsApp message. You want to learn about crypto, you want to learn how to trade, you want to learn you want to get the list of potential coins to buy and hold against bull run. Join my Telegram community. Send me a WhatsApp message from there. You see my WhatsApp contacts from my Telegram channel. You can send me a WhatsApp message to learn about cryptocurrency. As a beginner, you want to skill up, you want to learn futures trading, forex trading, or you want to learn about US stock investments, send a WhatsApp message when you join my Telegram community. So after you are done meeting your NFT profile, then that qualifies you for withdrawal. And some people are having this talk about withdrawal. They said they've not received their withdrawal. Yes, even me, I placed withdrawal last night, in the middle of the night, 20 pieces of this coin, but I'm yet to receive it. I hope they will send it when they are done, when they are ready to. As I didn't, it's less than 24 hours they came up with this withdrawal thing, so I'm not bothered about it. Just make sure you've added the contract address on your wallet, so that when they send it, you will be able to see it on your wallet. If you are unable to copy the contract address, join my Telegram community. You'll see the contract address there, because I will paste it there. Add it on your wallet, so that when they send the token, you will be able to see it. You will not start asking, I've not received. I've told you what to do to receive it. For now, I'm not sure they've sent to anyone, because I myself have not received it. So the only thing you need to do is to make sure you've minted your NFT and add the contract address on your wallet, either Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet, whichever wallet you use. Then place your withdrawal. You just click on withdraw, and it will send it. I don't have any available to withdraw, because I've withdrawn the available balance. I was having 20 pieces available balance, but I've withdrawn. I withdrew it last night, so I'm still waiting for it to arrive as well. So that's for the withdrawal. And for the Bybit listing, they are yet to make announcements of the official listing. They just said they are listing on Bybit. They've not mentioned the particular date, but I think it's trading on PancakeSwap, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want to confuse you guys. Just hold on for the Bybit listing, so you can withdraw from your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet to Bybit, and you'll be able to sell as well. So you'll be able to sell from there, and that makes sense better. So to get your token ID, some people are having issues with this. How do I get my token ID? Every NFT has a unique identity number, and that's what is called the token ID, and that makes NFT unique. So to get your token ID, go to the BSC scan. You go to bscscan.com. bscscan.com. The wallet address you use to meet the NFT, paste it here. Open the BSC scan, paste it on this search button here. You can see where I pasted. You paste it on the search box here, and it will bring up your details. Then you go to this NFT transfer, scroll here, come to NFT transfers. Then you see the transaction that you've done under the NFT. This is the one I just minted. You see 15 hours ago. So to get my token ID from here, I'll just click on this to open the transaction. So you scroll down a bit. You see where they wrote this BEP 721. That's token ID. This is my own token ID. You can't do anything. You can't use my token ID for yours. So every NFT has a unique ID that is attached to the particular wallet it's being minted. So to get yours, this is where you come. You go to your BSC scan, paste your wallet address from that you use in minting the NFT. Then go to NFT transfers as I showed. Then scroll down. You see token ID. Copy it, and that's what you need. As simple as that. So these are the things you need to claim the what's it called, the VTC network withdrawal. So you await subsequent updates on the CS listing and what have you. As for now, at the moment, this is what we have on the VTC withdrawal. So I hope this settles all the inquiries and confusion about the VTC already. All right, guys, hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are here to, please do hit the subscribe button, share this video, like, comment, show some love, show some support, and stay tuned. Be active on my channel. Don't miss out on any of my updates back to back. Send me a WhatsApp message. By joining my Telegram channel, you'll see my WhatsApp contact. If you are interested only in my paid services, please, if it is Airdrop, drop your comments here on the video. Paid services, send a WhatsApp message. That's how it works. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.